For us as a business, this project's important because it's giving back to the disadvantaged, the people that have done it tough, and this is a chance for them to come to a place, learn some skills and get their lives back on track, which I think is a really important thing because otherwise they can be forgotten.
So this project isn't something that's going to happen alone. It's going to take some collaboration, and we're blessed to have CNHI involved, coming up to help excavate the property and prepare it for our little cabins that we'll be able to house people in.
When we first floated the idea of sending the team down, we had no people that said, sorry, I can't do it. We had a team fly in on the weekends during their holidays to come in and complete this, so completely volunteering their time.
So the company should be very proud of their staff and how they've all decided to band together and be a part of what's happening out here today.
I'm very proud of the company, CNH, not just the Case Construction brands, but all the brands that are pitching in to assist One Voice. It gives me a great sense of who I work for and the effort they put back into the community.
The team here today from Iveco are two things. One, we want to put something back into the community. And secondly, I want to build teamwork amongst all the team in Dandenong. We have people from the plant, we have people from the office, and at the end of the day, as you can see around here, you wouldn't know who's who because we're all wearing the one shirt, the Iveco shirt.
I have enjoyed working for a good cause.
My task today was fencing, something which I've never done before, which was great.
Today's been fabulous because it doesn't matter what occupation you have at Iveco, everybody's working together on a level playing field.
There's a whole raft of things that we can do to support One Voice.
One Voice does a terrific job by providing washing and showering facilities for homeless people in the city. The idea is fabulous in order to assist people to rehabilitate. Ultimately, it may become a semi-working farm to allow people to develop new skills.
So having Iveco out here and having them involved in this Working Bee and Community Day has just been mind-blowing. So without being too emotional about it, I seriously didn't think they'd achieve what they've achieved, and having them do what they've done has helped us so much in creating what we want to create. And it's just that one step further to our intake session, and that I can't wait for.